Today's fun project for this Audi A7, I'm swapping out HID bulbs and ballasts, and for this year make and model is D3S 6000K. First I'm going to remove the center cap, and there's a tiny little hole, and I'm using a skinny little Allen wrench key, as you can see. Jacking the car up and putting the jack stand underneath for safety measure. And these lug nuts are 17 millimeters. Inside the wheel well, there are 5 torque spits and 1 plastic clip, and number 2 is where the plastic clip is located. And these torque spits are size T20, and once the cover is off, you can bend it to access the bulb and the ballast. To remove the cover, turn it counterclockwise. Same thing for the bulb. And then remove the cable. And to remove the ballast, there are 3 T25 torque spits. And disconnect 2 wiring harnesses from the ballast. Installing the new ballast, reconnect the wiring harnesses. And put it back in its place. And reinstall 3 torque spits, size T25. Bring in the new bulb, and while handling the new bulb, use clean gloves, and reconnect the bulb. Put it into the socket, and turn it clockwise to lock it. And here we are, testing it just for a little bit, just to see if it works. Now bring in the cover. Turning clockwise to lock it. And bringing back the wheel well cover. And 5 T20 torque spits. And 1 plastic clip. And then remounting the wheel. 17 millimeters for the lug nuts. Torquing them to 90 foot-pounds. And for the center cap, there's a little divot there you do have to match onto the wheel or it won't install correctly. That's it. Peace.